Greetings, tech aficionados. Today, we're delving into an electrifying topic that's been creating ripples in the tech realm. Let's dive right in. I recently stumbled upon an intriguing article courtesy of the BBC, and I couldn't wait to unravel its details. Now, what's all the buzz about? Tech enthusiasts and researchers have been tinkering away, and they've cracked open a fresh chapter in haptic technology. They've pioneered a system that could replicate textures, sensations, and even changes in temperature on our touchscreens. Just imagine, as you swipe through your device, you can actually feel the tactile differences between materials like the velvety touch of silk, the rugged feel of denim, or even the graininess of sandpaper. It's as if your screen is transforming into a portal of touch-based exploration. Now, you might be pondering, how does this enchanting wizardry come into play? Let's break it down. This cutting-edge technology employs intricate vibrations along with variable friction levels to trick your brain into experiencing diverse textures. Think of it as your fingers embarking on a virtual adventure. These vibrations are so precise that they can mimic the sensation of smoothness, coarseness, and even intricate textures. Wrap your mind around the notion of merging digital and tangible realities like never before. So, where can we anticipate this marvel being utilized? To begin, let's journey into the world of gaming. Picture this. While you're maneuvering through a racing game, you can feel the surface transition as your virtual tires switch from asphalt to gravel. And in fantasy games, imagine your character grasping magical artifacts, with the sensation of their mystical textures dancing at your fingertips. This is immersion taken to a whole new dimension. Yet, gaming is only scratching the surface. The potential for education is staggering. Imagine students embarking on virtual tours of historical museums and feeling the textures of artifacts, or comprehending chemistry concepts by virtually touching different materials. This could revolutionize the way we learn. As with any breakthrough, there's a trail of challenges to conquer. One major concern is precision. Can these simulations genuinely replicate the intricate complexities of real-world textures? Plus, we can't ignore the energy consumption aspect. Orchestrating these minute vibrations demands energy, and we all know how invaluable battery life is. That wraps up today's exploration. If this piqued your curiosity, consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it. And if you're new here, subscribing would be a splendid idea. Join our tech-driven odyssey. Until our next rendezvous, keep unearthing, keep your curiosity kindled, and continue embracing the ever-evolving tech universe. Stay enlightened and geek on.